Is Claude overrated? And is there something better? Shots fired. Shots fired. Okay, so let's break this down. So Claude isn't the best one all the time, but there is no one winner. There is no one winner. We go through this like every quarter. Is there going to be one AI that's going to be the best in this topic? And the answer is no. The answer is going to be you need to be using multiple. You're going to be using Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini. Those are the three wise men. Those are the three wise men that basically can help you build anything, solve anything, automate anything. So it's no longer one is the best tool. You should be using all three at the same time. And if you're using Terminal, it doesn't matter. You could use all of them at the same time. Now, if you're a beginner, I'm going to recommend Warp for your Terminal tool. I'll tell you what that is. If you're advanced, intermediate, use CMux. And then if you're advanced, use Herder. Dang. Darwin's like, do you have a YouTube channel? Yeah. So if you guys are like really enjoying this, you're like, John, is any of this recorded? Yeah. All of my live streams, actually, let's put that there. That way you guys can see that. All of my live streams, all of the videos, everything that I ever record live streams is all saved here on my YouTube channel, where you can rewatch all of the replays for all the masterclass. We go live sometimes twice a day so that we can answer your AI questions. Awesome. Everyone got it? Darwin, did you get it? I want to make sure. Nice. And then if you go to the live tab, you can see hundreds of hours of training here. Claude Code Master, I mean, these are hosted. We're going through the backlog. I have a video editor that's combing through the backlog. I'm just producing so much content. I have a video editor that's going back and just cleaning up all of these. Emmanuel says, what about VS Code? Good question. If it is not on the screen, do not use it. John is telling you what exactly to use. And I also, here, let's put VS Code. VS Code, anti-gravity, cursor, Replit, Bolt, Lovable, Base 44. All of those tools are wasting your time. None of those tools will help you build a fully functional app that you can monetize and sell. They're going to get you trapped in it. Jesus, have 500 people on. By the way, for all the people that just came on, I want to give you guys free AI training because we're talking a lot about Claude Code, and I'm making things very simple. I'm giving you one tool to master. I'm not saying, here's the new AI tools of the week, guys. This new benchmark is insane. Kimmy 7 can fold your laundry and do your taxes. Meanwhile, you're like, really? Did you just read the brochure or did you actually use it? And they're like, nah, I just read the brochure and things are insane. And you're like, I'm overwhelmed. Like, this is insanity. So we try to keep it very simple. David's like, VS Code is that we don't use VS Code anymore. No more VS Code. Like, why is that? Actually, VS Code is trash. You guys want Warp. Warp is way better than VS Code. It does all the same features too. And it's not even like, it's way better because you need to be in Terminal, and VS Code is not a Terminal program. Next, this is 22 free Claude Code training videos to give you dangerous superpowers. And then for my new people that just came in, on the other side, why you want to join my newsletter, because I'm going to send you free training every single week. There is how to build an app in 49 minutes for beginners. If you've never coded before, never built an app before, never used Claude Code before, never used Terminal before, never used GitHub before, never used Railway before, any of the things I'm talking about, you're like, I don't even know what he's talking about, but I need to know this because my job is on the line. My boss says he will fire me Friday if I do not know AI, and I have no clue what that means. That's everything on this page. Everything here. The $1 million app, that's just marketing. I technically do build a $1 million app in there. It actually is very easy. It's very terrifying. You're like, and then there's 22 free training videos. So go. Now, that's not even the best part, because Emmanuel's like, oh, does Warp work well on Windows? Ooh, we'll address that in a moment. Because what's more important here, you guys got to stay focused. What's more important here is that you get the 60 Claude Code cheat sheet. do not miss on this. If you're trying to learn Terminal and all the cool things that Claude offers, do not miss this cheat sheet. This has all the hidden Claude code commands. This has all the cheat sheets, all the commands that will give you dangerous superpowers with Claude. And then you could print this out, put it on your wall so that you are smarter than all your friends. And you're like, oh, shoot. So all of this is in the link in the bio, and I'm going to give it to you guys right here. So that is the Claude code. That's the 60 Claude code cheat sheet commands. There's a 100 cheat sheet Claude code command version. And then there's a Hermes AI agent guide here. Yo, there's more value here than most college educations. In fact, I would go figure and bet that you could binge every video on here and you'll know more than an entire college education when it comes to AI. Because I know for a fact, because I write the curriculums. They're not teaching the students anything of value. In fact, they want to prevent students from learning anything of value. It's so sad. It's so counterintuitive. Anyways, that's why I need you guys to learn this. Now, if you guys looking for the link, here's the link.